Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make header transparent Squarespace. So first things first, you have to log into your Squarespace and you have to look for that specific site right here that you want to make some changes or you want to edit your header. So suppose that I'm going to make a header transparent of this website. I'm going to tap this and it will take me directly to another page where I can edit the header. What you're going to do here is tap on the edit button, tap this one. Then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you should see this Squarespace editor. And what you're going to do is you have to click your header and tap on edit or edit design. Click this one right here, tap on the color section, click this color and change this to adaptive. So that is the first method on how to make header transparent here on Squarespace. Another method is you just have to decrease opacity here. So basically, these are the two ways or methods on how to make header transparent in Squarespace. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.